Hello guys, good morning. This is Rose, and for today's video, we're going to do camping. So we're going to drive like 3 hours to get there, and we bring a lot of stuff, of course. Dami naming mga dala. Ayan yung itsura ng sasakyan. At maganda yung weather today kasi mainit-init. It's summertime now, so it's my first time to do camping, and I hope it all works good. And this is my outfit. Ito yung outfit ko, guys. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-leggings para comfortable. Tapos top nabigay sa akin ng friend ko. At ito, close lang na shoes. Yeah, very loaded. We need a big car in the future. Say hi to my vlog, babe.
Hello.
Here's the camping area now. For sale by owner. Oh, that's for sale.
Where?
That one, that place. Yeah,
Oh, that's
really
pretty
nice.
pricey. Oh, this one too. Just reduced. Southwest. It's on that one. I don't
Really
think we can
nice to
afford it.
live here. It's expensive for sure.
Got a church.
Oh, that's cute. Beautiful. Barbecue.
The office first. Gotta go up here to the office. You can take your seatbelt off.
We're here now, guys. They have a little restaurant in there, and that's the office. So this is a very beautiful camping spot.
Oh, your slider door's open, just so you know. I don't know if you meant it, but yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Open. Cold drinks, general store.
Oh, yeah, we actually, but Henry just stepped out.
Okay.
We'll have to grab
And just take a right. It's down there.
All right.
Bobo cinnamon. Mga chips. We just got here, guys. Kain muna kami ng Doritos. Ang ganda ng place na to. Ayan. Yung lake, bakita ko mamaya. Area. May maliit kami dyan na lamesa. May mga nagka-camping din dyan. Dito namin nilalagay yung tent. Tapos may ano ko dito. Lamisa, table. Can I say anything?
Yeah.
Linis na ako ng aming new house. Wala kaming walis. I think this is fine, babe.
Okay.
Wait, no. Don't wait yet. Because I'm gonna put this. This. This is for me. Ito na yung mga pinang ano ko, dinala. Ito yung mga dala ko. Paper plate, yung meron din akong kutsara, ito na nasa sasakyan pa. Of course, nagdala din ako ng fried rice. Fried rice para to sa dinner. Dinner. And then, meron pa akong na-take out kagabi. Sa restaurant, kumain kami yung back ribs. Pork back ribs, baby pork back ribs. So, dinala ko lang to. And then, meron din akong biskotso, guys. Na bongbongs, biskotso. Nakarating pa dito. Tapos, meron din akong rice. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to sa lutuin. Nagdala lang ako. Kasi, wala pala ditong saksakan. So, mabuti na lang hindi ako nagdala ng mga butanes, sana, yung propane ba. Kaso, hindi ako nakabili. May baso. Plastic, isa lang. Wala. You need to buy like this. Cups. Styro cups. Meron ako dito mga Quaker Oats. Ewan ko ba ba't pinanggala ko to. Meron din ako ditong Swiss Miss na chocolate, hot chocolate. We should have babe hot water.
Huh?
Like we should buy like propane thing naman. Orange. Meron ako ditong nagaraya na peanut. Of course, meron din ako dito caldereta na fresca tuna. Dalawa tong dala ko, dalawa. Ayan. Pang dinner. Tapos, meron din ako ditong piyaya. Piyaya, guys. And then, peanut butter. Nakalimutan ko yung jelly. Ito yung mga kape. Yung mga galing sa hotel. Tapos, corn beets. Corn beets, guys. At, pastillas. May pastillas pa ako dito. So, ito lang lahat ng mga dala ko. Ito lang yung mga food namin. Pero may restaurant naman doon. Kung gusto mong bumili ng kape, ng mga pagkain, burger. Meron silang restaurant. So, yun yung kagandahan. At na-assemble na nga yung aming tent. Ito yung aming tent. Malaki-laki rin siya. So, yan yung itsura ng loob. I-arrange pa dyan namin mamaya. Ayan yung aming camping chair, guys. Yan. Cute. Relaxing. Should take a picture of me, babe.
I love you more. You trying to get some donuts? Is that why you say that? This is mosquito repellent.
Oh, mosquito. What is it? To catch the
Not
mosquitoes.
to catch them.
Repellent.
Keep them away.
Okay. Sayang, hindi ako nagdala ng lutuan. Meron sana ditong fireplace. Yan. Pwede sana ako ditong magluto. Pero next time, magdadala na ako kasi babalik pa kami dito. Ay, ang ganda ng flower.
This is all these grass. This is
Ay, ano. So nice. Mm-hmm. Dito kami, guys. So, welcome to Palacios campsite.
You guys want to drive up to the lake back? I don't know. It's just... Yeah.
Is it bright?
That's fine. Stay back here.
We're going to the lake, guys. Andyan yung lake. Medyo malayo-layo pa. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. And here, you can rent a canoe. Canoe, tama ba? Pwede tayong mag-rent dito for $75. So, siguro bukas or mamaya mag-rent kami. May smoke. Yeah. Ay, madami palang ano, mud. Ito yung lake, guys. Ang ganda. Oh. Pag sa personal, mas maganda siya. Sa video, parang medyo madilim.
Mud.
Careful. Ay, ang ganda. Ang daming ano, ang daming duck. Duck. Wow, ang ganda. Be careful. Slippery. Slippery. Hala. Ayan, oh. I-zoom ko.
Can I go up for tomato sauce? You will come too.
Ang ganda dito, guys.
Wherever that animal walks.
Ang daming geese, guys. Ayan. Okay, we're gonna go. I'm just gonna take a video of this. Babalik na kami sa aming campsite. Hello, ang dami nila. Cute. How'd you do it?
Huh? We'll set the forest on fire.
She's better than you.
Good job.
You just do this in the Philippines, babe, so.
You're good at it.
See?
I didn't say anything.
You trust me? We'll be fine. Can do it, babe. It's so hot. Aming marshmallow, guys. May chocolate na. Tapos, ano, nilagyan ng chocolate at, ano, yung crackers. Yan, fried rice ko. Nilagyan ko to ng, ano, ground beef. Sarap. Medyo malamig-lamig pa. Masarap. Ito yung ulam ko. Meron din ako ditong fresca tuna, guys. Caldereta. Binuksan ko. Ano ko na rin dito ilalagay. Ay, hala. Ang damit ko. Mix ko dito. So, na. Dinner time. Dito lang ako magtututbrush. At maghihilamos. We're leaving the campsite now, guys. So, here's the view. Ayan yung lake. Ganda. Ayan, oh. Dito kami sa pinakatuktok. Ganda ng view. Kahanap pa kami, guys, ng restaurant. Mel's Diner. Yeah.
You guys gonna share some pancakes? Is that what's happening there?
Want pancakes? Yeah, but biscuits and gravy are made for only $7.49. French toast. Yeah, French toast too.
You want French toast instead?
Wait, I'm gonna do it. Beef patty, 2 eggs, cottage cheese, and toast. They have protein breakfast.
Protein breakfast. To get that deal,
I'm
you
gonna eat that, guys, because I need to be 59 years old.
to get the deal.
To get the deal.
Fine.
So breakfast, guys. French toast, omelette, and coffee. Guys, that's the coffee. That's all for today's video, guys. We're just done eating our breakfast. And thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.